In this video, I will show you how to set up Google Meet from an invitation. When you get a Google Meet invitation, learn how to download the app to make video calls. Tap the URL in the message to go to the Play Store or be redirect to the Meet app. Your contact might also choose to send you the invitation through Gmail, Google Chat, WhatsApp or other messaging apps. Open WhatsApp for the link. Open the link and tap on the link. If you already have the Meet app installed on your device, you will be directed inside the Meet app to add phone number to add to your calling account. Tap continue to start the Meet with your Google account. Tap the three line from the top left corner and then go to settings. Let's go to calling settings. Tap on calling account. Add your phone number. Tap add. Select your phone number. Tap continue. After typing your phone number, you will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the code and tap done. When you enter the code, you will see a screen says phone number verified. Grant access to your camera, microphone and contacts and let the app send you notification for video calls. Then give the Meet app permission to make and manage phone calls. Tap new to place your first video call. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to the channel to get more this kind of videos regularly. Thanks for watching.